Hi, I'm Healy Zavaro. Today I want to introduce Tricider, a wonderful platform for conducting online discussions. These are all my discussions, previous discussions. I want to show you one. Here I ask teachers to present some ideas they have to teach poems, and then each teacher basically wrote pros and cons for each activity. So there's an idea here. You can add an image to it, and then other teachers or other students can write pros and cons. At the end, when everyone is done, teachers can vote on the best idea. And here you can see the winning idea is this one. This is something I've done with my students. And here you can see the winning idea is this one. So how do you create an account? You go to Tricider. You click login. And then you can log in with Google, with Facebook. First time, you want to click sign up now. Then you just insert your email, your name and password, and you click sign up. So here I write a question, I click go, and I get a Tricider. Here I can change the deadline if my asynchronic activity takes longer than 14 days, or if I have a longer project, I can set the deadline here. And that's it, my board is ready. I can click share and invite. And of course I can simply send this to my students for them to start working. This is what they will see. They will see this. So then they'll be prompted to add an idea. And then they can write their idea, add their name, and click save. For example, write a collaborative poem in a breakout room, and I can click save. So basically this is the first idea in the Tricider. The question was, what ideas do you have for online activities in your own classes? And then I added an idea. Now I can also add an argument for and against. As I write my argument, I need to say if this is plus, which means something good, an advantage, or minus, which is a disadvantage. So plus would be wonderful for enhancing collaboration skills and creativity. Save. I can also add a pro or an advantage, a disadvantage. I can say some students could be free writers, meaning they will basically not give enough ideas and others will do the work for them. So that's my disadvantage. Eventually, many people are going to add ideas here, so we'll have a full Tricider, and eventually we can vote on the best idea, and you can do so many things with it in class to promote collaboration and group projects. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, to send this to students, you just click share and invite, and you send them this specific link, copy and paste. Enjoy. Bye-bye.